Hi there, friends. I'm meteorologist Jeff Hanowich. It is indeed 10 o'clock here on this Thursday evening. Almost quiet right now, but that's going to change here over the next couple of hours or so. We'll check out our next weather maker here in just 1 second. First off, I want to give you another reminder that the best way for us to get your pictures on the air, and we want to do it, is via something called Pinit. Okay, you can access Pinit a couple of different ways. One way is WSLS.com/pins. You can also access Pinit on the news and also on the weather app. So again, the best way for us to get your pictures on the air is via Pinit. All right, let's count down. If you're counting down alongside me and all of us here at your local weather authority, daylight saving time is just 3 days away. That's right. Daylight saving time starts here very, very soon. Before you go to sleep Saturday night, make sure to spring forward 1 hour, such that the sunset on Sunday will be 1 hour later than it will be on Saturday. We have St. Patrick's Day in about a week from now. Spring begins in 11 days. In just 3 weeks from today, we've got Major League Baseball's opening day, one of my favorite days of the year, and Easter is just about 1 month away. All right. Today marks day 4 on the Commonwealth Severe Weather Awareness Week. Okay, today we're going to talk about flooding and the difference between a flood watch or a flash flood watch and a flood warning or a flash flood warning. Okay, a watch means that flooding or standing water is possible. Okay, a flood warning or flash flood warning means flooding will happen or is going to happen. And just like when we talk about a tornado warning versus a tornado watch, a warning is much more severe than a watch. Okay, let's talk about our next weather maker, and it is knocking on our doorstep. Okay, we've got snow situated from Minnesota and Wisconsin, even into Grand Rapids, Michigan. Then we have rain extending from South Bend, Indiana, south into Nashville and Memphis, and also into areas say near Birmingham. This rain is headed towards us. This is our next weather maker. This is what's going to bring us a chance for rain here a little bit after midnight through about midday tomorrow. Okay, it could start as a mix in areas north of the Roanoke Valley, especially in areas along and north of I-64. So if you're watching us in Highland, Bath, the mountainous terrain of Allegheny and Rockbridge counties, again, you could pick up on a little bit of snow, sleet, and or freezing rain tonight into early tomorrow. But for the vast majority of us, this is just going to be a chilly rain for us. So on Friday, we're going to have the best chance for rain in the morning. Okay, I think in the afternoon, we're actually going to dry things out. So it looks like, by 2, 3, 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, we are going to be for the most part dry, and we also could end the day with a little bit of sunshine tomorrow. And again, there is that chance for a light wintry mix to the north of 460, especially again in areas north of Interstate 64. Let's talk about Saturday. Saturday is going to be a day where many of us are going to dry out and we're going to see more sunshine. I think Saturday will be the type of day where you see a little more sunshine east, a little more cloud cover west with a little more cloud cover early in the day and more sunshine later in the day. The big weather story for Saturday is that right there, the wind. It's going to be pretty windy outside for us here as we start out the weekend. In addition to that, we're going to have a better chance for west slope snow showers on Saturday. So if you're perhaps traveling into portions of Pocahontas and Greenbrier counties in West Virginia on Saturday, you may certainly encounter a couple of snow showers, okay? But again, for us here in the Commonwealth, Saturday looks like the drier of the 2 weekend days. Sunday, everything changes again, okay? Sunday, another storm system heads our way, and this one could be more of an impact player for us than the one tonight into early tomorrow, okay? The one Sunday starting, I'd say early to mid-morning and lasting through probably the evening hours on Sunday is going to be, I think, more of an impact player for us, okay? Again, on Sunday, it looks to be mainly a chilly rain for most of us, okay? But there will be some mixing in the mountains, and that wintry mix on Sunday may last longer than the wintry mix tonight into early tomorrow, okay? So Sunday, we will have to watch out for areas north of Roanoke and west of Roanoke. So the NRV, the Highlands, even portions of the southern Shenandoah on Sunday will have that chance for some wintry weather, okay? I think if you're watching us in Lynchburg and in Southside and even in most of Roanoke, it is mainly just going to be a chilly rain. But If you go into the mountains come Sunday, that's where we will find a better chance, perhaps, of a wintry mix. Let's talk about how much rain is going to fall later tonight into Friday, and the amounts don't look to be huge, okay? We're certainly not worried about any sort of flooding, okay? We're looking at rainfall totals beginning tonight, lasting through early afternoon tomorrow, about 1/10 of an inch to about 1/2 an inch of rain. Most of us are about 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch, but there could be isolated spots that get a little bit closer to that 1/2 an inch total. Pollen. Yeah, because it has been so warm of late, because of the fact that we're approaching springtime, of course, the allergens are out and about, all right? The blooms are out about 1 to 3 weeks earlier than normal. Pollen levels pretty high today, but they go down tomorrow. They go down tomorrow because the rain is going to wipe away some of those allergens. But here's the deal. When we dry out Saturday, the pollen comes back, only for the pollen to go back down again as we head into Sunday. So again, Sunday and also on Friday, the pollen levels are going to be a little bit lower because we're going to have a better chance for some rain and that mix. All right, temperatures stand right now for us at 10:07, 41 in Hot Springs, 47 Wytheville, 48 Blacksburg, 52 Roanoke, 47 in Lynchburg. You're in the low to mid 40s as we speak across South Side. Once that cooler air filters in tomorrow, that cooler air is going to be here for a while. Okay, we're looking at temperatures at or below average, probably more below average than anything else, from Friday all the way through Wednesday or Thursday of next week. So it's about a 5 to 6 day time frame for us where temperatures are going to be pretty chilly. The coldest days will come for us here Sunday and on Tuesday. As a matter of fact, on Tuesday, we could be 10 to 15, maybe 10 to 20 degrees below average for this time of year. Let's talk about this upcoming cold spell and some of the pros and cons. The positive thing about this upcoming cold spell are that the pollen levels are going to go down, okay? Even when we're dry outside, the pollen levels on cool days aren't as high as they are on warm days. However, the negative thing about all this is this cold air could be pretty harmful to those early blooms. It looks like we're going to have more frost and potentially some freezes as we head into next week, okay? So one of the negative things about this upcoming cold spell is it could potentially be harmful to those early blooms on the flowers and on the trees. So for tonight, rain is going to develop after midnight. Again, that mix is possible towards the higher elevations, basically north of I-64. Overnight lows tonight between roughly 36 and 43. For tomorrow, looks like the best chance for precipitation will be in the morning, okay? As we head into the afternoon, I think we're going to dry out and may actually squeeze out a little more sunshine. It's going to be a cooler day tomorrow with those high temperatures in the 40s and 50s. More 50s than anything else. Your extended forecast, 50 on Saturday with increasing sunshine. Saturday, not bad for outdoor plans. Just know that Saturday's windy. Sunday, we have a better chance for that mix and rain showers, okay? So that mix would be mainly towards the mountains on Sunday with rain showers in other locations, but it's going to be colder on Sunday with highs only around 43. And that 43 might be on the high end. I was thinking about dropping that high to about 40 or 41 for the 11 o'clock newscast. I don't think I'm going to do it just yet because I want to see one more computer model run before I actually, go that low. But I wouldn't be surprised tomorrow if we go 40 or 41 on Sunday. And a reminder for you, of course, Saturday night, spring forward. Daylight saving time starts for us here Saturday night into Sunday morning. Monday, Tuesday will be days where I think we see more sun east, more clouds west, may have maybe a little bit of light precipitation in the mountains, the highest slopes, the west slopes, Monday and Tuesday. Otherwise, Wednesday we're dry, maybe a few rain showers by next Thursday. Again, temperatures go from 50 on Saturday into the 40s on Sunday, back into the 50s on Monday, back down into the 40s on Tuesday. Then we're in the low to mid 50s Wednesday and Thursday. So we are going to have about 5, 6, 7 days worth where temperatures are going to be pretty chilly. As we go beyond next Thursday, indications are we're going to start to warm things back up again. Current time is 10:10, and joining me is my good friend Allie. Allie, are there any questions I can answer tonight? Tonight? Okay. The question was, how much snow could we see here tonight? We're not going to pick up on any accumulation tonight. We could see some snowflakes. Yeah, we could see some snowflakes north of I-64. We could pick up on some sleet pellets, and we could even see a little bit of freezing rain. Again, the higher elevations could see a light wintry mix tonight. Is it going to accumulate? No. Sunday, I have a couple more question marks about that. I think Sunday into Sunday evening is our best chance for wintry weather around here. Okay. That needs to be watched. It's, again, a little bit too early to go out and say if we're going to see any snowfall accumulation Sunday into Sunday night, but I can't rule it out. There could be areas that see up to an inch of snow or potentially even some sleet mixing in Sunday into Sunday night. Those areas would probably be north of Roanoke and west of Roanoke. Again, it looks like the NRV, the Highlands, and the parts of the southern Shenandoah have the best chance for wintry weather Sunday into Sunday night. But I feel fairly confident at this point in saying that the wintry mix that we have Sunday into Sunday night will last longer than any wintry mix we see here tonight into early tomorrow. Okay, so I think Sunday is a time frame to watch for us to potentially see a light accumulation in some of our backyards. Okay, anything else, Allie? Perfect. Current time is 10:12. We'll be back here in a little bit more than 45 minutes from now with our 11 o'clock newscast. We do hope to see you then. And if you're just joining us for these appcasts, kind of want to give you a quick breakdown as to how we're doing these. We do them every Monday night at 10 p.m. and every Friday night at 10 p.m. We do them on Mondays at 10 to kind of address the week ahead. We do these on Fridays at 10 o'clock to address the weekend, okay? So we'll be doing another one of these regardless of the weather come tomorrow because we want to, of course, inform you about the weekend forecast. We will be doing one probably anyways to talk about the potential for some wintry weather on Sunday, but we will always do one on 10 p.m. Mondays and at 10 p.m. on Fridays. And we'll also do them as needed during the week. As Allie can attest, we've been doing these probably more nights than we haven't been since we started doing these appcasts roughly 5, maybe 6 weeks ago. And as far as how you can see these appcasts, you can see them on Roku. You can see them on our Facebook page, Facebook Live. You can see them on the news app, the weather app, and you can see them on our YouTube page as well. So there's plenty of different ways that you can see these appcasts. And of course, we'll be back here again tomorrow night for one of these. We do hope to see you then. I hope everybody has a great night, and just know that within about the next 2 to 3, 4 hours or so, we're going to start to see some rain and maybe even a light mix pushing into many of our backyards. Again, the best chance for a wintry mix tonight will be in areas north of I-64. The rest of us, it's mainly just a chilly rain. Have a great night, friends.